Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I am Chef Tovia. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon pepper chicken skewers. And I'm going to be showing you how to make them on the Uten picnic tabletop grill. We're going to be doing a product review today on this, and I just can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So stay tuned as I unbox. You'll be able to find the full recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and don't forget to check out my previous videos. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the grill, and I'm going to unbox it. Okay, so the grill has legs on it. I'm going to pull the legs out. And there's a bottom. So in the bottom portion is where the charcoal is held. So I'm going to pull this top grill plate off. So when you do set the grill up, this bottom portion does drop down. So I'm going to place my rack on the bottom, and this is the rack for the charcoal to sit on. We're not going to need much charcoal. So we're just going to arrange them into a pyramid like so, like you would for any standard grill. I'm using instant light charcoal, so I don't have to fuss around with any lighter fluid. I arrange this into a pyramidish shape. I'm going to take my lighter, just light a piece of paper. I should have used barbecue matches, but it's okay. So we're just gonna allow the charcoal to burn for a bit, and then we're gonna spread it out, and then we're gonna cook our lemon pepper chicken. So let's begin the process of the lemon pepper chicken. For my chicken skewer, what I'm gonna do is just take a chicken breast, split it in half. I'm not gonna pound it out, and I'm gonna just cut them into evenish size chunks. Just try to keep them all the same size. Make sure they're even size, so when we place them on the skewer, we'll place all the ones with similar size on the skewer together. Now for the chicken, all I'm going to do is add a little bit of vegetable oil or olive oil. I'm going to add some coarse ground black pepper. This is lemon pepper chicken after all. I have here some kosher salt. And I'm just going to juice the lemon over. You don't have to worry about straining because the seeds are not going to go in this when we put it on the skewer. So pure honey. Just a couple of tablespoons. And it's to be sweet and tangy. And just going to mix all those ingredients together so all the chicken is evenly coated with the spices. So I have here some skewers that I've been soaking in water here on the side. And I just soak them in the pan of water. Right here, you can see here on the side. And the reason why we soak them is to keep them from cutting on fire. And also, so they won't dry up so much. So what I'm going to do is just place same size chicken on the skewer. Just slide them on. Just make sure the chicken's roughly the same size. I think I'm going to do them in the long way, so they're flat end. I think about 4 to 5 pieces per skewer. Charcoal across evenly here. Okay, so here's our chicken skewers. I'm going to lay these on the grill, and I think I'm going to grill them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We'll just see how it cooks. Maybe longer. So it is pretty hot because I can hear it sizzle when I place it on. I'm a little bit nervous about how this flipping process is going to go. So we'll see. So I'm going to let this go for about, I think about 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to continue to flip them. Let's just, you guys see me flipping them. Oops. They turn with no problem. They aren't sticking. And they have a nice golden sear to it. 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to use a meat thermometer just to kind of determine how much longer I need to cook this. But they shouldn't take too much longer. So I'm going to take off the ones that are on the hotter portion of the grill because I believe they should be done. So this is done. So it took about 13 minutes total for them to finish cooking. So I'm going to take this in the house, cover it with foil, and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So here is the chicken skewers. They smell absolutely wonderful. I let them rest for a few minutes. I'm going to get a smaller skewer. You see a little bit of stickiness on the outside. That's from the honey. So here we go. I'm going to pull one off. We're going to break it apart so you can see the inside. You can see it's not dry, it's juicy. Amazing lemon and smoky flavors. This is absolutely delicious. I'm going to serve this with a side of rice and beans. But see, the inside is nice and tender, juicy, and the Uten grill performed great. If you guys want to know where to find that grill, please check the description box. The link will be down.